Hello and welcome once again. As you can see from the sign above me, today we're at Percy Doughty, one of the UK's finest fireplace and stove manufacturers and distributors, based here in Farnworth in Lancashire. Established in 1952, Percy Doughty has been supplying high quality fires, stoves, fireplaces, solid fuel spares, flue systems and associated products to the heating industry for over 6 decades. The company originated with Percy Doughty himself alongside just 3 employees, but today it's a much larger operation. Percy Doughty are renowned for their high quality, superior craftsmanship and innovative products, and they pride themselves on maintaining traditional values with a family-run business. Over the years, the company have introduced their own product ranges, which cover all manner of stoves and fireplaces, plus fireplace surrounds and fireplace chambers. This also includes the premium Penman collection, which is a showroom exclusive. As well as showcasing an entire range of products in their state-of-the-art showroom, the Percy Doughty cutting shop also offers top quality bespoke size products. The company pride themselves on their high level of quality in their craftsmanship, with a team of expertly skilled staff who only deliver the highest levels of customer service. Percy Doughty's reputation as stove manufacturing specialists has seen them stay ahead of the curve, and earlier in 2022 they released the eco-design approved updates to some of their classic stoves. This includes the Helios, the Tiger and the Firefox. One of the most popular stoves in the Gallery Collection range is this, the Gallery Classic Eco. This stove can come in either matte black, like you can see here, and it's also available in a beautiful warm white colour too. It has a 5 kilowatt nominal output, it's Clear Skies rated. As you can see here, it's Eco Design 2022 ready, and it also has an energy rating of A+. The Gallery Classic Eco Stove comes with a number of other fantastic features too. It has a cast iron construction, an air wash system, a multi-fuel grate to burn wood or coal, and also it is DEFRA approved for use in smoke control areas. It's the perfect stove for the modern day home. Get inspired by what Percy Doughty offer and head online to directstoves.com or directfireplaces.com to view the gallery collection, or if you want to check out the Penman collection, head to our showroom to see for yourself. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to the Direct Stoves and Direct Fireplaces channels.